Hello, everyone. This is Jim Krasinski with your Week 7 lecture video. So, this week was or is drafting week, and I am taking my time working my way through all of the first drafts submitted. Just to review that process, if and when your first draft and peer report receives a grade, in the comment section, I will include a Google Doc link to a document, a separate document, a copy of your draft where I offer feedback and strategies for the final essay draft. I have made a copy of your first draft and I hold those in a separate folder so as not to intervene or in any way influence the peer review process. So this week, the peer reviews are due. So I want to make sure everybody is aware that your first draft and report should be in your folder in the research essay folder. Once again, in the course drive folder there. That way you can look at one of your classmates' folders, look at the report here, complete the report in the peer review slot here, and that way you can submit that link to the assignment for peer review 1. Consequently, the same process for peer review 2. So I just want to make that clear to everyone there. All right. So you want to make sure that you are able to complete the peer review process and then achieve all of the points that are assigned to that particular process. So, in looking at chapter 4, some items to consider right now, we have such items as the writing for readers' interest. Everybody's just about now gotten to the draft. So, we want to think about the readers. Several of my comments in reviewing um, the first drafts are all about how it would appeal to an audience and also to the readers. So you might want to take a good look at that section along with putting people on the page. I ask questions like, so how does this affect people? Or how does it affect society? Looking at bigger implications of your particular topic other than just the immediate um, um, thoughts on the information that you've been able to research. Okay, so you want to look at how does it affect society, and also how does it matter to the individual who might be really looking at your research topic. Writing a strong ending is always important. Remember, we don't introduce new sources or new information into the conclusion. You want to always take a look at this section on page 133. It'll give you some ideas on how to write a strong conclusion. I know many of us are often tired at the end of an essay assignment, and we tend to rush the conclusion, but always a worthwhile effort for the conclusion actually wraps up your research topic. And once again, there are some strategies in chapter 4 about handling quotes. Some of the drafts I've looked at so far are handling quotes quite well. Some people need to review the using and citing sources section in the course units in Blackboard on the principles of citation, and also take a look at what Ballinger has in the textbook about writing with sources, so about stopping and plot quotations, how to blend that with your own words, always providing context around your quotations. And I think it's very, very important. I haven't seen too many of the kitchen sink quotations where everybody drops a large quotation. In fact, some quotations and some of the paraphrasing could be a little bit more extensive. Always the context around that source information could be developed a bit more. So that's the essence of chapter 4 at where we're at right now. If you have any further questions about the peer review process or my comments on your first draft, please send me an email. Good luck.